No te olvides de nosotros cuando seas famoso, ¿ok?
We're ready. What it looks like inside. We're organizing everything. My head hurts like a bitch. Welcome to today's vlog, y'all. Today will be my first runway show ever at 17 years old. Isn't that exciting? If you guys didn't know, I'm a senior this year, which means I'm graduating in only 2 months. And usually we make a runway show. I didn't participate last year, but I will be participating this year with my mom's brand as well. It's gonna be a one-time thing for me because I've never participated before and this is my first time. So I want to take you guys along with me and you will be seeing the behind the scenes of a fashion show. Basically, we're rushing against time or running against time. I don't know what the word is because I just got back from the gym and I've got to be there in like 2 hours. I haven't showered, I haven't done my hair, I haven't done my makeup, and I haven't eaten. So I have to get ready right now. We have to rush ASAP. My mom said my hair looks really good, but honestly, it's dead. It's dirty. So let's get started. So I've laid out some of the things that I need to bring on my bed. My hair is soaking wet right now, so we need to rush and start doing my makeup. I'm gonna start with the 345 Dr. Althea Relief Cream. I've been really liking this cream lately. It's like so light but so moisturizing at the same time. I'm gonna do my makeup to model right now because I don't think I have time after that. I just need to arrive to that place and be ready. Pretty much. I think all I had to do was a pretty natural look and it's very glowy and I love that. I don't think I'm gonna be using powder, but for now I'm leaving this glowy as it is. I don't have enough time to dry my hair right now. I have 15 minutes. 15 minutes to dry my hair, so I have to do that ASAP. Okay, so it's 2:45. I think my food is about to arrive if it hasn't arrived yet. I finished drying my hair and kind of like straightening it with my Dyson Airstraight. I'm gonna go eat because sometimes my hair will look straight and then it stays straight for like 20 minutes to an hour and then I go out and it looks awful. So I need to wait and then I'm gonna use my Shark or my hair straightener to finish up my hair. My food finally arrived. I think I'm ready. I'm so stressed. I already packed everything that I needed. Everything's in this. I used my hair straightener to finish up on some curls. This is the final look. Of course, I'm not going to be wearing this black top. We're going to be wearing something else. And I'm pretty sure my mom will be recording for you guys from the audience. Right now, we're going to be arriving to the place, seeing everyone in my class, changing, retouching your makeup. Hopefully, this lasts. We're on our way now. We're organizing everything to start. As you can see, it's like everything is organized for each brand in this place. Like you can see one by one. What it looks like inside. I'm obsessed. My head hurts like a bitch. I'm so exasperated. I'm so annoyed. I'm so scared because I don't know how I'm going to change from one brand to another because I have 2 brands in a row. Sí.
No te olvides de nosotros cuando seas famoso, ¿ok?
Okay, you guys, for now, I'm gonna hand you over so you can watch the show yourself.